Hello YouTube. This would be the third video, I think, of my restoration. As you can see here, we've got the front end of the Simplicity covered because it drizzled all day today. I just took this basketball net off the back, and you can see how different the tractor looks without its rear fenders. Took that off. They're in the horse trailer so they wouldn't rust up over the drizzle that was today, so we'll go in here and get these out. It's up here in the manger along with the seat. I wonder if I can get them both. Might have to take 2 trips. Yeah, this seat is heavy. Kind of difficult to do all that with one hand. So we'll take this over there. I already got all the panels and shroud parts in my painting station. It's kind of windy on this side of the barn. So I moved my board over here so I didn't have to deal with the wind. Got the primer, Rust-Oleum automobile primer. Not sure if that's the right stuff, but it looks good enough for me. So I got that fender, and I've got all those shroud pieces. Go back and get the seat so we can start painting. Got the horses looking at me, wondering why I'm talking. Anyway. Come back in here. These seats must be full of water or something. This thing is heavy. Come back over here. Sorry about this weight of walking back and forth. Should have been more prepared. Alright, let's get started with these shrouds. Probably have to find a place to set this camera down so you guys can watch. Back of this bucket looks good. That looks about good. Alright, we'll start with the engine shroud. We've got the sticker that says IC Briggs & Stratton on it. I'm gonna keep that taped up so I don't lose it while I'm taping. Bring this primer out. Now, before I get any YouTube comments or anything, I've shooken these up for about 10 minutes before I made the video, so I'm just gonna do it real quick before I start painting. These out of the way. Start right over here. Looks good. Turn this over. Begin painting this. Side. Now the wind changes direction. Alright guys, there is one. I don't think you want to stick around for the other part, so there is one done, and I will keep you guys posted on this. 1.5 cans of Rust-Oleum automobile primer, Ultimate Finish Gray. 1 can later, and you've got a seat, rear panel, engine shroud. I'm not sure what side that is, but that's a engine panel. Other engine panel, air filter cover, some kind of bar that came out of the back, and just made it. Taping up these stickers with this. Went for one last piece of tape and it ran out. But I did it, and now that I've got all this done, it looks really good. I'm happy. I really got sick and tired of seeing all that grinded metal on that rear panel. Got all that done. Got that empty can I need to pick up. All this done. I'll see if I can get a close-up so you guys can see the finish. Looks pretty nice. I don't know, probably have to get this. It's already dry. It's fast drying. Probably have to get this another coat, and then I'll move on to the actual colors. Well, move on to the rest of the tractor first. Alright, later.